In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to your Shopify store. It's a fantastic way for you to earn some passive income by displaying ads on your online store, so let's dive right in and break down the process into easy-to-follow steps. Before we get started, ensure you have a Google AdSense account. If you don't, head over to the Google AdSense website and sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create an ad unit. On your dashboard, find the Ads section, and click on Ad Units. This is where you'll customize what your ads will look like and how they should perform. You'll see options for different ad types like display ads, in-feed ads, etc. Choose the one that best fits the layout of your Shopify store. Customize it further by setting its size and style, then save your ad unit. With your ad unit created, the next step is to get your ad code. Return to your AdSense dashboard and next to the ad unit you've created, there will be a code snippet. Click on Get Code and copy this JavaScript code. This code snippet is what you'll be placing into your Shopify theme to display the ad. Now, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Online Store section and click on Themes. Next, you'll want to customize your current theme. Click on Customize, and from here, choose Edit HTML CSS to start editing the theme files. You'll need a bit of HTML knowledge for this part, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Locate the theme file where you want to display your ads. This will typically be within header files or between sections in your homepage file, depending on where you've decided your ads should be featured. Open the appropriate file and paste the ad code you copied from Google AdSense. Make sure to integrate it neatly within the code structure. It helps to comment above and below the code to remind yourself where you've placed it. Something as simple as Google AdSense can work. This organization makes it easier if you ever need to remove or change your ad placements later. Once you're satisfied with the placement, save your changes. A crucial step is to check your Shopify store to ensure the ads are displaying correctly. Open your store in a new tab and navigate to where you've implemented the ads. You may need to refresh the page a few times before the ads appear. If something doesn't look right, don't panic, head back to the theme editor and adjust as needed. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now set up to display Google AdSense ads. Remember, checking in on your AdSense account periodically to see how your ads are performing is a good habit. You can use this insight to adjust your strategy and maximize your ad revenue. Thank you for watching, and good luck turning those ad views into profit.